Anticipated 35% growth in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors by 2026. Competitive forecasts in the US and China amidst international robotics advancements. Overview. The manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors are projected to witness a remarkable 35% growth by 2026, primarily driven by significant advancements in robotics technology. This growth is particularly pronounced in the competitive landscapes of the United States and China, where both nations are heavily investing in robotics to enhance productivity, efficiency, and safety across these critical industries. Global robotics market growth. According to the 2024 Global Robotics Market and Industry Overview, the global robotics market is poised for substantial growth with an estimated market size of $74 billion in 2024. This reflects a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 18.4% expected through 2032. Key sectors contributing to this growth include industrial automation, medical robotics, and consumer applications. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning is emerging as a crucial factor in enhancing robotic capabilities, thereby revolutionizing various industries. Key drivers of growth. 1. Sector expansion. The integration of robotics is critical for improving efficiency and precision in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture. These sectors are embracing robotics to streamline operations, reduce labor costs, and improve product quality. 2. Technological advancements. The incorporation of AI into robotic systems is a transformative trend. Collaborative robots, cobots, are increasingly being developed to work alongside humans, enhancing operational flexibility and safety. 3. Regional demand variations. Demand for robotics solutions varies significantly by region. The US and India exhibit stronger growth trajectories, while the Chinese market has shown slower recovery in certain sectors, as noted by industry leaders like Yaskawa Electric Corporation. Economic challenges. Despite the optimistic growth projections, several challenges must be navigated. Economic pressures, rising costs, inflation, and changing consumer spending habits pose challenges, particularly for sectors like home robotics, as highlighted by iRobot. Supply chain issues, ongoing disruptions exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and conflicts, continue to impact the availability of components and materials necessary for robotics manufacturing. Competition. Increased competition from local manufacturers, especially in China, is pressuring established companies to innovate and reduce prices. Sector-specific insights. Manufacturing. The manufacturing sector is increasingly adopting robotics to automate processes, enhance productivity, and maintain quality standards. The automotive industry, particularly electric vehicle (EV) production, is a significant driver of demand for industrial robots. Companies like FANUC and ABB report a strong demand for robotic solutions in EV-related projects. Defense. The defense sector is leveraging robotics for a range of applications. From logistics and supply chain management to surveillance and combat scenarios. The U.S. Department of Defense is investing in autonomous systems that enhance operational capabilities while reducing risks to human personnel. Agriculture. Robotics is transforming agricultural practices through precision farming techniques, automated harvesting, and drones for crop monitoring. This sector is seeing increased interest in sustainable practices, and robotics is a key enabler of efficiency and productivity in food production. Technological innovations. AI integration. The fusion of AI with robotics is unlocking new capabilities, enabling robots to perform complex tasks and make autonomous decisions. Companies are focusing on enhancing machine learning algorithms, allowing robots to learn from their environments and adapt to changing conditions. Collaborative robotics. The development of collaborative robots that can safely work alongside human operators is expanding the market for robotic applications. This trend is particularly relevant in manufacturing and warehousing, where human-robot collaboration can enhance efficiency and safety. Edge computing. Emerging technologies such as edge computing are allowing robots to process data locally, reducing latency and improving performance. This shift is crucial for applications requiring real-time decision-making. Future perspectives. The outlook for the robotics sector is broadly positive, with several key trends shaping its future. Continued market expansion. Emerging markets, particularly in India and Southeast Asia, present significant growth opportunities as manufacturing shifts from traditional hubs. Technological innovation. Ongoing R&D investments will continue to drive advancements in AI, machine learning, and collaborative robotics, opening new markets and applications. Sustainability focus. There is a growing emphasis on developing energy-efficient robotic solutions that align with global sustainability goals, which could reshape industries reliant on robotics. Conclusion. As the robotics market evolves, it stands to significantly reshape the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors in the US and China. The anticipated 35% growth by 2026 underscores the importance of robotics in maintaining competitiveness in a rapidly changing global landscape. Despite the challenges posed by economic pressures and supply chain issues, the emphasis on technological integration and innovation will likely drive continued growth and transformation across these critical industries. The future of robotics holds exciting opportunities, promising a more efficient and productive industrial landscape. The anticipated growth of 35% in the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors in the US and China by 2026 is accompanied by various counterintuitive insights regarding the robotics industry and its integration into these sectors. Here are some key points highlighting these counterintuitive aspects. 1. Economic growth amidst economic pressures. While a robust growth forecast of 35% suggests a thriving sector, it coexists with economic challenges that could hinder this growth. The anticipated expansion in manufacturing and agriculture is paradoxically juxtaposed with economic pressures such as slowing consumer spending and ongoing supply chain disruptions. For instance, companies like iRobot have reported significant impacts from reduced consumer spending on home robotics, indicating that while the overall market may be growing, specific segments are facing substantial headwinds. 2. Regional discrepancies in robotics demand. The expectation of growth in the US and India contrasts sharply with the slower recovery observed in the Chinese market for certain sectors. This suggests that despite China being a global leader in robotics production, the demand for robotics solutions within its own borders can be less robust than anticipated. Companies like Yaskawa Electric Corporation have noted that the Chinese market's recovery has been slower than expected, challenging the notion that growth in robotics is uniformly strong across all regions. 3. AI integration doesn't guarantee immediate success. While the integration of AI and machine learning into robotics is seen as a driver for growth, it does not automatically lead to immediate market success or adoption across all sectors. The complexities involved in developing collaborative robots that can effectively work alongside humans create a lag in implementation. This indicates that just because a technology is advanced does not mean it will be swiftly adopted or yield immediate operational improvements. 4. Consumer robotics struggling despite overall market growth. The overall growth forecast for the robotics market suggests a healthy industry. However, the consumer robotics segment is experiencing challenges. Companies like iRobot are facing difficulties due to economic uncertainties that are affecting consumer spending on home robotics. This divergence highlights that while industrial sectors may thrive, consumer-oriented markets can lag significantly, contradicting the broader optimistic outlook for the entire robotics sector. 5. Healthcare robotics growth amid economic uncertainty. Healthcare robotics is projected to grow significantly, evidenced by companies like Intuitive Surgical reporting increased adoption rates. However, this growth occurs in a sector where budget constraints and regulatory challenges can be significant hurdles. The paradox lies in the fact that even as healthcare robotics expands, the economic environment in healthcare remains fraught with uncertainty, highlighting that growth in one area does not negate difficulties in another. 6. Investment in R&D versus immediate market needs. While companies are increasing investments in R&D to drive innovation, this may not translate to immediate market improvements. The robotics industry is characterized by long development cycles, and thus, the benefits of increased R&D investments may not be realized in the short term. This creates a dichotomy between the need for immediate solutions in manufacturing and the long-term vision that R&D investments represent. 7. Job displacement concerns versus job creation. The integration of robotics in manufacturing and other sectors is often associated with job displacement due to automation. However, many reports also suggest that robotics can create new job categories that require different skill sets. This presents a counterintuitive narrative where the same technology that threatens traditional job roles can simultaneously pave the way for new employment opportunities in areas such as robotics maintenance and programming. 8. Sustainability alignment with growth. The expectation that robotics will significantly contribute to sustainability goals is insightful yet counterintuitive. As industries strive for energy efficiency and reduced waste through robotics, the initial environmental impact of manufacturing and deploying robotic systems can be substantial. Thus, while the end goal aligns with sustainability, the short-term ecological footprint of rapid robotics integration may contradict the narrative of immediate environmental benefits. 9. Innovation in traditional markets. The robotics market's growth is expected to be driven by innovations in sectors like automotive and agriculture, which are traditionally seen as slow to adopt new technologies. This counterintuitive perspective challenges the stereotype of these industries as resistant to change, revealing that they are in fact embracing advanced robotics at an increasing pace despite their historical tendencies. 10. Collaborative robots' dual role. The rise of collaborative robots, cobots, is often viewed as a positive step towards enhancing workplace safety and efficiency. However, the integration of cobots into existing workflows can lead to increased complexity and potential disruptions in traditional job roles. This paradox highlights that while cobots are designed to work alongside humans, their introduction can create challenges in training, workflow reorganization, and the acceptance of new technology among workers. In summary, while the anticipated growth in the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors due to advancements in robotics presents a largely optimistic outlook, it is accompanied by numerous counterintuitive realities that challenge conventional narratives about industry growth, economic pressures, and the integration of new technologies. Understanding these nuances is crucial for stakeholders as they navigate the evolving landscape of the robotics market. The report highlights a significant anticipated growth of 35% in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors by 2026, driven largely by advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence (AI). While many aspects of this report may capture attention, several critical details are often overlooked. Yet they carry profound significance for understanding the future landscape of these industries. 1. Economic pressures and consumer spending. While the report mentions economic challenges impacting growth, it underscores a crucial aspect that many may overlook: the specific impact of consumer spending on robotics, particularly in the home robotics market. Companies like iRobot have reported difficulties owing to reduced consumer spending, indicating that the economic climate plays a vital role in shaping demand for robotics. This insight is significant because it reflects how broader economic trends influence not only business growth but also the adoption of innovative technologies. If consumers are hesitant to spend, even the most advanced robotics may struggle to penetrate the market, affecting overall sector growth. 2. Regional variations in demand. The report notes that demand for robotics solutions varies significantly by region, with stronger growth in the US and India contrasted by a slower recovery in China for certain sectors. This regional analysis is significant because it highlights the necessity for companies to adopt tailored strategies that account for local market dynamics, consumer behavior, and economic conditions. Overlooking regional variations could lead to misallocated resources and missed opportunities in emerging markets, particularly in India, which is projected to be a significant growth area as manufacturing shifts from traditional hubs like China. 3. The role of AI in enhancing robotics. The integration of AI and machine learning into robotics is presented as a key driver of growth, yet the specific implications of this integration may not be fully appreciated. The report emphasizes that AI enhances the adaptability and intelligence of robotic systems, allowing them to perform increasingly complex tasks and make autonomous decisions. This is significant because it suggests a transformative shift in the capabilities of robots, moving beyond simple automation to more dynamic and responsive systems. This evolution could redefine operational standards across industries, making processes more efficient and potentially leading to the creation of entirely new job categories focused on managing and interpreting robotic outputs. 4. Technological innovation and collaboration. The report discusses the focus on developing collaborative robots, cobots, that can safely work alongside humans. This aspect is often overshadowed by the more general discussion of robotics advancements. The significance of cobots lies in their potential to not only increase operational efficiency but also enhance workplace safety and productivity. As industries grapple with labor shortages, the ability to implement cobots can serve as a bridge between human skills and robotic efficiency, alleviating some workforce challenges while ensuring that human workers can focus on higher value tasks. 5. Sustainability and energy efficiency. The emphasis on energy efficient and collaborative robotic solutions aligns with global sustainability goals, a point that may not receive adequate attention. The shift towards sustainability is becoming a crucial driver of innovation across all sectors, and the robotics industry is no exception. As companies strive to meet environmental standards and consumer expectations for sustainability, the development of energy-efficient robots will not only be a competitive advantage but also a necessity. This trend reflects a broader societal shift towards sustainability that could reshape industry priorities and investment strategies. 6. Challenges of supply chain disruptions. The report mentions supply chain issues as ongoing challenges but does not delve deeply into their far-reaching implications. Understanding these supply chain dynamics is critical, especially in the context of global events that can disrupt manufacturing processes such as geopolitical tensions or pandemics. Companies must recognize that reliance on global supply chains can create vulnerabilities. Thus, a shift towards localized manufacturing or diversified supply chains may be necessary. Ignoring these challenges could lead to strategic missteps in planning and investment. 7. Competitive landscape and local manufacturers. The report highlights increasing competition from local manufacturers in countries like China, which may not receive the attention it warrants. The significance of this competition cannot be understated, as it pressures established players to innovate and potentially lower their prices, affecting profit margins across the board. This competitive landscape necessitates continuous innovation and adaptability from companies operating in robotics, pushing them to not only enhance product offerings but also rethink pricing strategies to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. 8. Future perspectives in Industry 4.0. While the report paints a broadly positive outlook for the robotics sector, it briefly mentions the potential for robotics to expand into sectors beyond traditional manufacturing such as healthcare and retail. The significance of this expansion reflects a broader trend tied to Industry 4.0, where the convergence of physical and digital technologies creates new opportunities for automation across various industries. Understanding how robotics will play a role in the broader context of digital transformation is crucial for businesses looking to invest in these technologies. Conclusion. The anticipated growth in the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors driven by advancements in robotics is poised to reshape the competitive landscape, particularly in the US and China.
However, the nuances within the report: economic pressures on consumer spending,
regional variations, the role of AI, sustainability concerns, and the competitive landscape carry vital implications that are often overlooked. Acknowledging and addressing these factors will be essential for stakeholders and companies aiming to navigate the complexities of a rapidly evolving market. 1. Sector growth and robotics integration. The anticipated 35% growth in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors by 2026 underscores the transformative impact of robotics. The integration of robotics is not only aimed at improving efficiency and productivity but also at enhancing precision in these industries. The alignment of robotics with advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) allows for more complex tasks to be performed autonomously, which is vital for maintaining competitiveness in both the US and China. This growth is fueled by the increasing application of robotics in industrial automation, medical robotics, and consumer products, highlighting the diverse ways these technologies are enhancing operational capabilities. 2. Economic challenges and regional variations. Despite the optimistic growth forecasts, the report highlights significant challenges, particularly economic pressure and competition from local manufacturers, especially in China. The mixed demand for robotics solutions varies regionally, with stronger growth expectations in the US and India contrasted by a slower recovery in some sectors within China. This indicates an uneven landscape where regional economic conditions and local competition could significantly affect the pace and scale of robotics adoption. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for companies strategizing their market entry and operational models. 3. Technological advancements and AI integration. The increasing focus on collaborative robots and AI integration is a key driver of growth within the robotics sector. Companies are investing heavily in R&D to develop robots that can work alongside humans safely and efficiently, enhancing flexibility and safety in various environments. The integration of AI helps in creating robots that can adapt to their surroundings, learn from interactions, and make autonomous decisions, which is critical for sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. This technological evolution not only broadens the application of robotics but also aligns with global sustainability goals, indicating a shift towards more energy-efficient solutions. 4. Market challenges and future perspectives. The robotics industry faces several challenges, including high initial investment costs, integration issues, and safety concerns. These barriers can impede adoption, particularly among smaller businesses. Additionally, the competitive landscape is evolving, with increasing pressure on pricing from local manufacturers in markets like China. However, despite these challenges, the future outlook for the robotics sector remains positive. Continued investments in R&D, technological innovation, and the expansion into new markets and applications, including healthcare and retail, suggest a transformative period ahead. The industry's ability to address current challenges while capitalizing on emerging opportunities will be crucial for its sustained growth and relevance in the global market. 1. The Industrial Revolution 1760 to 1840. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history, characterized by a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized and urban ones. This period saw the introduction of mechanized manufacturing processes, particularly in textiles and iron production, leading to unprecedented growth in these sectors. Innovations such as the steam engine and power looms revolutionized manufacturing, much like the anticipated advancements in robotics are expected to do in the current context. The Industrial Revolution also highlighted the competitive dynamics between nations, particularly between Britain and emerging industrial powers, paralleling the competition between the US and China in today's robotics landscape. 2. World War II and the rise of military technology 1939 to 1945. World War II catalyzed rapid advancements in military technology, including the development of radar, jet engines, and various automated systems. The defense sector experienced significant growth during this period as nations invested heavily in technology to gain a competitive edge. The integration of innovative technologies into military operations transformed warfare, similar to how robotics and AI are poised to transform the defense sector today. The competition between the US and the Soviet Union during the Cold War further underscores the historical context of technological advancement driven by international rivalry. 3. The Green Revolution 1940s to 1960s. The Green Revolution refers to a series of research development and technology transfer initiatives that increased agricultural production worldwide, particularly in developing countries. Key innovations included the development of high-yielding varieties of staple crops and the use of fertilizers and pesticides. This transformation in agriculture not only improved food security but also reshaped global agricultural practices and economies. The anticipated growth in the agriculture sector due to robotics advancements draws a parallel to the Green Revolution, emphasizing how technology can enhance productivity and efficiency in food production systems. The collaboration between nations and organizations during this period also reflects the current international dynamics between the US and China in the agricultural sector. Future outlook: anticipated 35% growth in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors by 2026.
Overview.
The expected growth of 35% across the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors by 2026 is primarily driven by advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence (AI). This growth prediction is notably significant in the competitive landscapes of the US and China,
Two major players in the global robotics market.
As industries increasingly adopt robotic technologies, they are poised to enhance productivity, efficiency, and precision.
Robotics market projections.
The 2024 Global Robotics Market Overview forecasts a market size of $74 billion with a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 18.4% projected through 2032. Key sectors contributing to this growth include industrial automation, medical robotics, and consumer applications. The adoption of AI and machine learning (ML) is expected to be central to these advancements, allowing for smarter, more adaptable robotic solutions.
Sector-specific predictions.
1. Manufacturing. The manufacturing sector is set to benefit significantly from the integration of robotics, particularly in industrial automation. Companies will likely prioritize collaborative robots, cobots, that work alongside human workers, enhancing operational flexibility and safety. Additionally, the automotive sector, especially related to electric vehicle (EV) production, is anticipated to drive demand for specialized robotic solutions. 2. Defense. The defense sector is expected to see a rise in the use of drones and autonomous systems aimed at enhancing operational capabilities and reducing risks to human personnel. Advances in robotics technology will enable more sophisticated surveillance, logistics, and combat support applications. 3. Agriculture. In agriculture, robotics is anticipated to streamline processes such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. The increasing emphasis on sustainable practices will further drive the adoption of robotic solutions that enhance efficiency and reduce the environmental impact.
Economic challenges and opportunities.
While the growth forecast is promising, several economic challenges could impact progress. Competition. Local manufacturers, particularly in China, are intensifying competition, potentially affecting pricing and market share for established players. Supply chain issues. Ongoing disruptions in supply chains exacerbated by geopolitical tensions could hinder the timely deployment of robotic technologies.
However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and collaboration.
Companies that adapt quickly to market demands and invest in R&D are likely to thrive. For instance, the rise of startups focusing on AI-driven robotics solutions indicates a shift towards more intelligent systems capable of performing complex tasks.
Technological integration. The integration of AI into robotics is expected to enhance capabilities across sectors.
Advanced AI systems will enable robots to learn from their environments and make autonomous decisions, thus increasing their utility in various applications. The focus on collaborative robots that can safely operate alongside humans will also likely expand their use in industries where human-robot interaction is crucial.
Regional variations. The demand for robotics solutions is not uniform globally.
The US and India are projected to experience robust growth, while some sectors in China are recovering more slowly than anticipated. Companies like Yaskawa Electric Corporation have noted that the Chinese market's recovery has faced delays impacting overall growth forecasts. Timeline of key developments. 2023, the global robotics market was valued at approximately $71.2 billion, indicating upward momentum toward anticipated growth. 2024, projections highlight a market growth to $74 billion, driven by advances in industrial automation and medical robotics. 2026, a 35% growth in manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors is anticipated due to enhanced efficiency through robotics and AI. Future perspectives. The outlook for the robotics industry remains broadly positive. Key trends shaping its future include emerging applications. Robotics will increasingly penetrate new fields such as healthcare and retail, creating diverse applications beyond traditional manufacturing. Investment in R&D. Continued investment in research and development is expected to yield innovative solutions that address industry-specific challenges while aligning with global sustainability goals. Increased accessibility. As technological advancements reduce costs and improve integration capabilities, small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) may increasingly adopt robotic solutions. Conclusion. As we look toward the future, the anticipated growth in the manufacturing, defense, and agriculture sectors driven by robotics advancements is set to reshape these industries significantly. The integration of AI, a focus on collaborative robotics, and the expansion into new markets will drive innovation and enhance competitiveness. While challenges such as economic pressures and supply chain disruptions remain, the robotics industry is well positioned to navigate these obstacles, ensuring a transformative impact on the global landscape by 2026.